You can't catch me.
Yes, I can. Here it comes, Mew.
I'm ready for it. Oh, no. My ball.
Don't worry, Mew. We will find it. What was that sound?
It's so dark in there. But bats and bones and... But I can't see anything. I don't like the dark.
And the sound? It's spooky. What if there's a monster? If they're scared of the dark and noise, maybe we just need to bring our own light and our own noise.
If they're scared of the dark and noise, maybe we don't have to get rid of the cave. Maybe we just need to bring our own light and our own noise.
You're right. It is dark and it is noisy. So let's bring our own light and make our own noise. Follow me.
Wow, fireflies.
A little light for the darkness.
Brave friends, brave and strong, we all sing our happy song.
Brave friends.
Happy song? Okay. I think I'm ready.
Brave friends, brave and strong, we all sing our happy song.
It's actually kind of pretty in here.
Look. Look. Over there. My ball.
You found it.
See? We did it. Let's go get our ball home.
Brave friends, brave and strong, we all sing our happy song.
Sunshine! We did it!
See? I wasn't scared at all at the end. But
I was still a little scared.
does that mean I wasn't brave?
That's a great question now. Being brave doesn't mean you're not scared.
It means you are scared, but you choose to do it anyway, especially when you do it together.
Oh,
Hey, Winsalatu Puck, we were all brave.
yeah!
Yeah.
We were a brave team. We were so brave today.
And we got my ball back. See you next time.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for our next adventure.